guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two iWori masks. I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts, so this is not a tutorial at all, but I will share my thoughts on the application as well as the results I received. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I do have videos using the iWori brands, the shampoos, as well as the conditioners. Please check that out as well. And I did tell you guys that I'm going to do a completely separate video on the masks. Now I am going to be reading because I did write down my thoughts because I've been using the masks off camera. And today I'm going to be talking about two of the masks. I couldn't find the Marula mask for weeks on end. So I was like, okay, let me get on camera and just share my thoughts on the two masks that I have used. I've used the Boabab mask and I've also used the Mongogo repairing and strengthening hair mask, and today I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts on those two masks. And I'm going to start off with the Boabab line because I still have the packaging. The Mongogo one, I kind of threw it out because I've been doing it off camera over time. So I'm going to start off with the with the Boabab line. I enjoy the shampoo and conditioner and I absolutely love the mask as well. For my type of hair, this is so moisturizing. It was such a pleasant experience using this mask. From the application, it went on my hair really nicely. It promoted detangling. I left it on for about 30 minutes, although on the packaging it says you can leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I left it on for about 30 minutes. Love the way it rinsed out. Love the way it left my hair. This mask is one that I really like, as well as the shampoo and conditioner. Remember guys, this is what my hair likes and it's just my personal experience. If you've used this line and you don't like it, that's fair enough, but the Boabab line for me and my hair gets a thumbs up. The other mask that I tried was the Mongogo repairing and strengthening hair mask. This one, I didn't like the application at all. It was pasty. It provided no slip at all. I could not detangle and I really didn't like the smell. This particular mask from the Mongongo line promises to strengthen, protect and smooth, as well as enhance shine for dry, damaged hair. Now this did leave my hair with the shine and very little frizz, which was something that surprised me because the application was kind of a disaster for me. Did not like it, did not appreciate it. My hair was soft, my hair was hydrated as well. So the results for the Mongongo line I liked, but I didn't like the application. Guys, I think I forgot to mention the benefits of the Boabab line, and I apologize for that. This is an ultra nourishing hair treatment. It promises to hydrate, smooth and restore moisture to hair, and it's for very dry hair, and that's what it delivered for me as well. And that's it guys, my thoughts on two of the iWori masks. For me, it's the Boabab line that I will maybe repurchase. It's not like going to be one of my favorite deep conditioners, but I think on the South African market it was kind of good in that sense. I will put the prices and stuff down below. You know you can get it at Clicks, and I hope you enjoyed this video and just my brief thoughts on the iWori masks. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you again. Take care.